What if your camera could capture moments exactly the way you see them, or even better? Welcome to 2026, where Canon cameras are pushing the limits of photography and filmmaking with insane image quality, lightning-fast autofocus, and next-level video capabilities. From content creators to professionals, Canon continues to dominate with cameras that deliver precision, power, and creativity in every shot. But here's the challenge. With so many incredible options, which one is truly worth your money? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best Canon cameras of 2026, the ultimate picks for photography, videography, and everything in between. Number 5. Canon EOS R50 V. Meet the Canon EOS R50 V, a camera made for creators who want their content to stand out without the complexity. From the moment you turn it on, it feels fast, smooth, and ready to capture whatever inspires you. Whether you're filming a vlog, creating YouTube videos, or snapping everyday moments, this camera delivers stunning 4K video and sharp, vibrant photos that instantly elevate your work. What makes it special is how effortlessly it adapts to you. The intelligent autofocus tracks your face and eyes with precision, so you're always in focus, even on the move. Its compact, lightweight design means you can carry it anywhere without feeling weighed down. But more than just specs, the EOS R50 V is about confidence, giving you the freedom to shoot, experiment, and tell your story your way. It's not just a camera, it's your creative partner in every shot. Number 4. Canon EOS R8. Meet the Canon EOS R8, a camera that blends full-frame power with surprising portability, built for creators who want professional results without the bulk. From the first shot, you'll notice the difference. Rich detail, beautiful low-light performance, and stunning 4K video that feels truly cinematic. It's the kind of camera that makes every frame look intentional and alive. What really sets the EOS R8 apart is its speed and intelligence, with advanced autofocus that locks on to subjects instantly. Whether it's people, animals, or fast-moving action, you can shoot with confidence in any situation. Despite its powerful performance, it remains lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel, events, or everyday storytelling. But beyond the specs, the EOS R8 is about unlocking your creative potential. It removes the limits so you can focus on capturing moments exactly the way you imagine them: sharp, vibrant, and unforgettable. Number 3. Canon R7 RAP7OR. Meet the Canon EOS R7, a camera built for speed, precision, and capturing moments most people miss. Designed with action in mind, it brings the power of a professional system into a compact, lightweight body that feels ready for anything. Whether you're shooting wildlife, sports, or fast-moving scenes, the R7 responds instantly, locking onto subjects with incredible accuracy and tracking them effortlessly. At its core is a powerful 32.5-megapixel APS-C sensor, paired with Canon's advanced autofocus system, delivering sharp, detailed images and smooth 4K video that feels alive with motion. With blazing fast burst shooting up to 30 frames per second, you won't just capture the moment, you'll capture every split second of it. But what truly makes the EOS R7 special is how it empowers you to shoot with confidence. It's not just fast, it's smart, reliable, and built to turn fleeting action into unforgettable stories. Number 2. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Meet the Canon EOS R6 Mark III, a true hybrid powerhouse built for creators who refuse to choose between photo and video. From the moment you start shooting, it feels fast, responsive, and incredibly refined, delivering stunning detail with its 32.5 megapixel full-frame sensor and bringing scenes to life with rich color and dynamic range. What really sets it apart is its speed and intelligence. With up to 40 frames per second and advanced dual-pixel autofocus, it tracks subjects effortlessly, whether you're capturing high-speed action, wildlife, or emotional moments in motion. And for video creators, this camera is on another level. With 7K RAW recording and beautifully oversampled 4K footage, your content instantly feels cinematic and professional. But beyond the specs, the EOS R6 Mark III is about creative freedom. It adapts to your style, keeps up with your pace, and helps you capture every moment exactly as you imagine it, sharp, smooth, and unforgettable. Number 1. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Meet the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, a camera that perfectly balances power, speed, and versatility, making it a true all-rounder for creators. From the moment you start shooting, it delivers stunning results with its 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, producing rich detail, beautiful colors, and impressive low-light performance that brings every scene to life. What truly makes it stand out is its incredible speed and precision. With up to 40 frames per second and advanced dual-pixel autofocus, it tracks subjects effortlessly, whether you're capturing fast action, wildlife, or candid moments. For video creators, the experience is just as powerful. Oversampled 4K video from 6K ensures sharp, cinematic footage, while smooth stabilization keeps your shots steady even on the move. But beyond specs, the EOS R6 Mark II is about freedom, giving you the confidence to shoot anything, anywhere, knowing every frame will look professional, polished, and unforgettable.